Definitely. That's wild.
I want to say hi to Emmett, Wally, Caleb, and Holly, some friends watching back at home. Thanks for tuning in. And what are we looking for? So we're looking for anything interesting in terms of geology here in the deep sea, as well as biology. So what kinds of living organisms are down here that we maybe have not had any experience with uncovering before, any new species? I know that that's something that the biologists on board are very, very interested in. And mainly we're trying to get this baseline data so that we can best shape our conservation efforts.
You see anything you like, Danny?
No, I would say maybe we can continue in that like, general direction.
Okay, Roger.
This is a sponge, but we've seen several of those already. So let's just keep moving forwards and continue going uphill.
Yep, just waiting for Atlanta to catch up.
Yep.
So Fanny, there's a question that you might be able to answer. Somebody is wondering about the collections that we're making. Is the list of the observed species going to be available for the public after this expedition?
So there's probably going to be a list, yes, of the samples collected with preliminary IDs, right? Because right now we're identifying based on morphology mostly and what we have. But then once the samples get back to the lab, we'll do some molecular analysis and try to identify them to species level. And probably a lot of this is going to be published and become available, publicly available, mostly in the scientific literature, but maybe also as a report on other form of media.
And then a question's coming in. Do we know the relative geologic age of this formation? I think that's something we're trying to figure out. So we do have our geologist on board, Val, and on a different dive that we did just a couple of days ago, there was a rock sample that was collected, and we were able to use our rock saw on EV Nautilus and break it open. And we are estimating that that particular rock is about 70 to 80 million years old. So again, we are on a different seamount this time around, but it's possible that the rocks that we see here are just about that same age or maybe different. So we are doing a couple of rock sample collections in order to get a better idea, but we haven't been able to process them yet because we're still on the dive. So not quite sure.
Coming in from Lounge, this is the resident geologist. Yeah, we do think it's the age range of these seamounts in this region based on some other data north and south of here that, yeah, they're about 70 to 80 million years old.
Something pink here, might be a shrimp, but if you can have a quick look at it.
Yeah, you're good. Oh, we're good. I adjusted.
I think that's probably a shrimp.
Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Roger. Yeah, I was just saying, we have some other age constraints from places north and south of this region that suggest the area in general is somewhere between 70 and 80 million years old. So it's kind of based on other samples, in this region of the Pacific. So we don't know for sure based on breaking the samples open, but we do know that they're old. And it's just kind of circumstantial evidence we're working with right now.
Something like
Yeah,
dead
yeah.
sponge on it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're getting a question whether or not we find plastics or other trash at these depths. Yeah, so we haven't seen any, at least to my knowledge, on this expedition yet, but there are some where it does happen.
Earlier, during this dive, they found, I think it was a can of something on the seafloor. So, but I think that's the only piece of trash that we saw on this expedition a few hours ago.
Yeah, so it does happen here and there. I know there was a watch that I was on a couple of years ago where we saw, I think it was a coconut. So that's not trash, but definitely something that is very unusual to find on the seafloor. And I do think we also saw a can on that expedition too. So it does happen, but not a whole lot.
Yeah, we found a washing machine once. Yeah.
Excuse me?
Where was this?
1,000-meter a washing machine, yeah.
Where was this?
Do you have an age for the washing? How old was it?
It was like all rusted and overgrown, but we found that.
Where
I think it was
that?
like maybe an hour off like New Orleans or something like this. Like tires we found definitely multiple times, but that was weird that an entire washing machine. How did they even get there?
Some ship engineer got tired of fixing it.
I guess so.
Get rid of this thing.
Float test.
It's not a good thing, but
how that
it's kind of funny.
I just heard from home that the trash question was my mom. So hi, Mom.
Wait, who was that? Is that Kelsey?
Yeah, it's Kelsey Kroon's mom, Karen.
Oh.
Strangest thing I've seen on the bottom was a toilet.
Well, that's interesting.
I do remember you told me that. That's, yeah.
That is crazy.
There's also the grouping of containers and stuff that we've seen up north as well. That definitely looked like it fell off a ship.
So, I'm sorry, Mike, was that more than one container you saw?
Yeah, it was a grouping of containers.
Oh, boy.
Like shipping containers?
Shipping containers.
The whole steel box. That's crazy.
Were they ever recovered at all or still there?
Still there.
Wow.
You'd be surprised how many shipping containers get lost.
Wow.
Yeah, in the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, they actually have a container that they've been monitoring, so a full shipping container a little bit off California, and they've been going back, and you actually have animals that are growing on the metal, and I guess that creates some kind of habitat in a way.
Wow.
I mean, that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of structure.
But then it can be toxic too because of the paint and whatever is on the container might not be the best.
Yeah. I've heard there's a lot of interesting stuff that's been like dropped off the side of California there. Correct?
Yeah, I guess there's a lot of shipping. Can we have a quick look at this right here on that rock?
Is that another sponge? What is this?
It's hard to tell. There's another thing right here as well.
Yeah, I see that.
But from the distance, it's a bit difficult to tell. Could be one of these tunicates that we've seen earlier.
She was blowing my eardrum out. Oh, bridge.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna turn it down? No.
So now we're heading a little bit steeper up the slope.
we have some viewers who are curious about how deep we are currently exploring. So right now, ROV Hercules is at 2,388 meters down. And ROV Hercules is not the only ROV that we use on our dives. We are also using Atalanta. So the video feed that you're seeing from on satellite feed number 1, that is a feed from Hercules, and then satellite feed number 2 is from Atalanta. So Atalanta is always above Hercules, keeping an eye on that ROV and giving the Hercules pilot, who is Danny on this watch, a better idea of where that ROV is in the space. And again, you can see that the ROV Atalanta's view is kind of bobbing up and down, and that is because it is connected to the ship, the really, really long cord. And so that's also helping to decouple the ship's movement so that it is not causing Hercules to bob up and down. And that way we can have a nice clear view, nice and steady and stable.
Come out, Atlanta. Catch up.
I'm trying, man.
We're running.
Run faster.
I say Atalanta's view is also going up and down because we like to rock. Sorry.
There we go.
So
Okay.
While we are waiting, maybe we can zoom in on this little anemone here
Anemone.
ahead of us.
Yes, I can.
Yep. I don't think we've seen one of these yet.
Coming down a little bit too. Give you a bit more room.
What is that?
I think that's an anemone.
Well, let's sit
From-
down and take a look at it, shall we?
From here, it
pig?
seems like it is.
Yeah, that is a pretty large one.
Wow.
That one is thick.
That's a big one right there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Maybe some, I was looking, maybe some kind of Actinostoridae anemone.
Oh, I see. Can we get a zoom in with the cinema cam? Real quick, please.
It's a pretty large one, over 10
zoom in
centimeters.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. There we go.
You want more or?
This is perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
All set.
Okay, go ahead. Zoom.
Going for zoom.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. That's a good photo.
I love its little arms.
Wow.
So stubby. So cute.
That's perfect. Thank you. You
There
can
you go,
zoom
wide.
out.
Going wide.
Really nice shot.
Mm-hmm.
All right, ready to go.
Nice.
You're still kind of at the edge of your tether.
Yeah.
So this is a great question we're having in the chat. How do anemones end up so far apart? Especially down here, yeah, how are they?
So far apart from each other?
Uh-huh.
Actually, sometimes they occur in pretty dense aggregation. So
Right.
generally, it's really going to depend on food availability.
Mm.
So if there's a lot of food, well, you're more likely to have fields of anemones or anemones that are close to one another. Here, based on the density of animals that we're seeing, it seems that probably food is relatively sparse. We're still pretty deep below 2,000 meters. So that might explain why the animals that we see are so spread out in this area.
So what's the depth difference from when we left on the end of our watch till now?
When we first got here, I mean, we hadn't hit the sea floor on our last watch. I think we had just passed it over, but they got down to 27, I think maybe 2740, something like that, 2,700 meters.
Yeah.
And now we're at 2,385 meters.
Wow. The other watches did a lot of things.
They've sampled a ton.
Yeah, I think Val said she got a rock earlier that was like almost 60 pounds.
What?
Something like that.
Yeah, that's the rock from yesterday.
Oh,
Oh, well, I guess 2 days ago.
Yeah, I know. I want to keep saying yesterday too.
Really, that rock weighed 60 pounds?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
it was a big rock, but it seems like it was definitely worth it.
No wonder why we were having trouble staying on
You
afloat.
had to drop some of that weight, I
For
know.
sure.
Never need weight on the bottom of the sea, just pick up a big rock.
I'm still very impressed that she was able to cut it in half.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that determination.
I was impressed it fit.
Yeah, so a lot of the rocks that we find here in the deep sea are covered in something called a ferromanganese crust. And that is something that occurs over a long, long period of time if something is just kind of sitting there in the sediment. So the other day we did find a rock for Val, who brought it back on the ship and cut it open and went through that ferromanganese crust. And on the inside there was a rock sample that was able to, we were able to get a kind of idea about how old that rock was. And so once again, it's about 70 to 80 million years old. And Val was saying just a few moments ago that for the most part, most of the rocks that we're seeing here in this area in general are probably going to be around that age.
Yeah, you're pulling me around.
Yeah, I know. Trying to get closer.
Yeah.
So that's something that I have found that I love to do. I never considered myself a rock person. Geology was never really high up on my list.
You changed direction on me.
But since sailing on Nautilus, and this is my second time around, I've definitely grown to really appreciate rock cutting. I love that they all look the same on the outside, but once you cut them open, you never exactly know what you're going to find.
I'm going to turn around and head towards you.
Okay.
I think watching Val get so excited about rocks too really makes you like stoked.
I love Val's enthusiasm about rocks. It's just, it brightens my day.
She always does like the two-hand like full excitement.
The fist pumps.
So I'm going to turn off pumps 12 and 13. Can you record that in the log?
Yep.
Thank you. Doing that now. And I'm going to turn on pumps 14 and 15. Doing that now.
I have an overhang coming up in between you and me. No, sorry, just the ridge.
Sea cucumber. That's
yeah,
a big one.
We've seen a few of these.
Just for Kelsey.
They never get less cute, you know?
That's true.
They're great.
Data, did you want me to record that? The end of the buffer. What numbers was it?
Does anybody?
Wait, there's a couple of things here. I think that's a cup coral, maybe?
On the left.
On the left, yeah.
We just.
You see something?
He was back to the left.
Yeah, it's behind you now, I think.
Do you want to look at it?
Yeah, if you can.
Oh, I see.
So it should be somewhere below us.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Good eye.
Looks like there's a little
something
something
else
right here, yeah.
In front of it as
Oh, yeah.
well. I think Steve was mentioning that to have more material is nice to have another one. I'm gonna ask. All right. So, Danny, you think you will be able to suction that one?
Yeah, we can try.
Do you want me to stop ship movement?
Yes, stop ship.
Do you want to?
We have a couple of jars that are still open. Is that correct?
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, we should have a few jars left. It should be jars 7 and 6 of the slurps that we have left.
Okay.
I have a note that fish in jar 5 needs to be careful or else it'll swim out.
Okay. So perhaps 7?
Trying to get stable here. It's not the most precarious place to land.
Just to give you some challenge.
You want the porch out or?
Yeah, we're gonna porch out.
Yeah. Let me know when you got it.
Mike, I also have a note that says careful with forward box, don't go all out.
Yes.
Okay.
We got hydraulics up. Oh god, 58%. No wonder why everything's jerky.
Can we zoom in on that cup core real quick?
Yep, go ahead and zoom.
All right,
Since we're in good position right now.
Wow.
Yeah, perfect.
I think we can get a little closer. There we go.
Very
Just
cool.
zoomed it as we can do.
All right.
Good. Oh, sorry.
The substrate looks like the Hershey's
Thank
cookies
you.
and cream bars.
Oh, don't say that. That's my favorite candy bar.
It looks so delicious.
Thank you for the zoom.
All right.
Okay, go ahead.
Going
I
wide.
feel like we're always talking about food. Everything reminds us of
Okay, we
food.
can put jelly can.
Well, I mean, it looks just like it.
It is true. It is true.
It does, yeah. Now I'm getting hungry.
So
Come
jar
on
6
now.
is what's on there right now. What jar are available?
1 through 5 are full, so we have 6 through 7
Yep,
available.
6
Okay.
and 7 are available.
Okay, we're on jar 6 right now.
Did you want to
Okay.
record the volumes?
Go ahead.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So Fanny, are you able to tell us a bit about why we are going after this particular coral? You said it's called a cup coral. And so what is the reason for sampling this one?
So yes, so these cup corals, they are related to the reef
Yep, go
building corals. So they are called scleractinians. So they have a hard calcium carbonate skeleton. And the reason why we're interested in collecting them is that these corals can be very difficult to identify just based on in situ morphologies like we have here. And so you actually have to look inside the polyp or even do genetics if you want to identify them properly. So that is the reason why this requires us to collect them. And we collected one of these earlier today, but they actually do not have a lot of tissue. And so having a second one will also increase our chances to have enough material to actually being able to identify these species.
I see.
Doing it now.
Okay.
So with these samples that we do take, for example, the coral and the rocks, we do have a lab on the vessel. It's called our wet lab.
Are you able to get it, or do you want me to
I
grab?
am. I'm just. It's yeah.
Try to float the jaws.
Yeah. I'm having issues just trying to get a good viewpoint from it. Thank you.
All you gotta do is ask.
So in our wet lab, that is where we do some of the sorting and processing and storing so that the samples can be nice and pristine so that they can be further analyzed once we get back to shore.
Okay. Pump 12, 143886. Yes. Pump 13 says 1, but we think there's a problem with pump 13, so, yep. So,
is it okay if I do a DVL reset?
Yeah, go ahead.
Excuse me? Yeah, but there's a problem. Either the pump wasn't running or the volume wasn't recorded. So just indicate 1 and then we'll have to cut back to it. Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Get up next to it.
The time's what? Yep.
Go ahead and zoom video.
Pump 12, 55 minutes, 30 seconds.
Are you going to zoom?
Yep.
Pump 13, 55 minutes, 19 seconds.
Okay, good. Okay, get close. You're way above it. Yeah. You gotta get down.
Yeah. Can you tilt the camera up for me, please? Thank you.
We'll zoom in just a little.
Rotate your jaws. There you go. Scrape it if you need to.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good
Very
work.
Let's go.
I don't see it going in. It's still in the hose.
Going, but it's slow.
Slow, yeah.
Making
Making its way.
I don't see the sediment.
Yeah, sections not.
There we go. There you are.
There you go.
You got it?
Yeah, it's in there.
Oh yeah,
there
that
it
is.
is. Yeah.
Okay.
So little.
See, it looks like
Go
a little
live video.
cup.
Yeah.
Going wide. Oh, fully wide here, I think. Yeah. With a little push in.
Video, you wide?
Yeah, fully wide with a push in for the vignette.
That was incredible.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Nice, Mike.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's always super
Go
impressive
ahead and throw the arm.
how the ROV pilots are able to control these ROVs when they're at the ocean floor, and we're all sitting
stuck
here
on
on
the
the.
porch.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get off.
We're all sitting here on the ship, and they're just able to kind of imagine and feel their way.
Okay.
Just kind of like, it seems like it takes a lot of intuition as
Going
well.
back over just a little bit.
You wanna? You can see it in the arm, in the camera right there.
Yeah.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, whoa.
Looks like a leech.
It does.
Are there ocean leeches?
Is it like a Spanish dancer almost?
It's hard to tell. It looks like
Something
that,
similar,
but it
right?
look,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, leave the blue button on, and then
That was crazy.
Stowed.
Hopefully it comes back, yeah?
Yeah, hopefully.
Ready for some ship movement?
yes.
Thank you, Danny.
Right, so the lasers that you see in the middle of the screen, those are for measurement. So those lasers are spaced, they're spaced 10 centimeters apart. So that cup coral was rather tiny, maybe like 2 or 3 centimeters perhaps.
Pretty far away from you.
Yeah, I'm coming back up that way. Good rock.
Our next many steps are probably going to be bearing 245 pilots.
Okay. Go ahead and move the bottle to the next bottle.
Next bottle? Okay.
Is that a Persingid?
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay. Is that going clockwise then?
You want to go counterclockwise?
Yeah. I don't have that on my
You don't?
on my Steam Deck. I don't.
Oh, okay, I can do it.
Yeah. No, I don't. Yeah.
Nope, long way.
And I got nothing on the GUI.
I got it.
Okay.
So for our pilots, when you get the chance, we have someone who's curious to know how is the ROV arm controlled? Is it like a gaming remote, or how do you do it?
It's actually a miniature version of the big arm. If I can't show you right now because I'm flying, but
yeah, that's fine.
Usually I could pull it out and show you
I can change the camera to you guys.
I was gonna say, yeah, if you turn the camera on for right here, I can show.
1 sec. Yeah, there you go. You're now front and center, Mike.
We're in hold right now, so it's all moved. But
yeah, so viewers, if you want to check out channel 3, that's where you
might
can
have something coming up on our left, maybe. I see in the wide field camera something in the corner.
Yep, there's something there.
Fanny, you've got eyes today.
Only today.
You're seeing far out.
Wonderful eye.
I've also spent maybe too much time looking at seafloor video. That's another sponge that we've seen multiple of them.
There's no such thing as too much
All right,
time.
moving on.
Very cool.
Back to our pilots and their arm.
There's also something red behind on that rock.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna knock over the sponge though.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't look very healthy, but still, that would be rude.
It's probably another cucumber, right?
I think it's that swimming cucumber that swim past us.
The leech-looking one?
Yep.
Oh, that one's bigger.
That must be a shrimp down there, yeah? Or what in the world?
That's the same one we're just looking at.
I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's the one that we were seeing swimming.
Oh, I see what you're saying. My bad.
Yeah, it looks weird. What is wrong with it?
Video?
Why is it just laying there?
Yeah, it's just kind of
I think it's shocked by our
chilling.
presence.
I think it seems a little confused here, which I don't blame it.
I mean, I would be terribly
I would be confused too.
But yeah,
look
it's
at that.
kind of just...
That is one of these cucumbers.
Oh,
But it doesn't looks like it's doing fine.
Yeah.
It's just tired, taking a nap.
What's that white thing on it?
There's something on it.
Yeah.
Is it like one of these polychaetes maybe?
It looks like...
It looks like a different...
Yeah, no, it has like something on it.
Do you think it's a parasite?
It could be one of these. It's hard to tell with this angle. It could be one of these like polychaetes sometimes that can be.
Are those the ones that we typically see on the corals? Like something similar to that?
Sometimes. This is that's a different type, but yeah.
Is that full zone?
It's full zoom?
Full zoom, yeah.
I think it is.
Oh, it might roll over for us.
I don't know.
It's showing us its polychaete. Yeah, it is. Pretty sure it is.
Get it off me, it says.
Oh, sorry, little guy.
But yeah, I'm sorry. Let's go.
Thanks.
All right, ready to go wide?
I have never in my life seen such a thing.
Yeah, look, it's moving on it.
Yeah, what in the world?
That is crazy.
Yeah, that.
Is that like another
I mean, I
type
don't
of
know
shrimp?
if it's a parasite. No, it's kind of a worm.
Oh.
I don't know if it's a parasite, if it does anything bad to the sea cucumber.
Is it cleaning?
It doesn't. I don't.
Like, is the
that's an excellent question, and I don't think we know. But yeah, there are some these associations that you see sometimes, and it's really hard to actually figure out the association. If it's a shallow water species, you can have them in a tank, do some behavior, try to figure out things. But these animals, you can bring them back alive to the surface, so that limits also what we can do.
Gotcha.
Do you want us to suck it up?
So it's between like...
no, we can leave them.
You said that you can't or can bring it up.
You can't.
You can't.
Well, they're not gonna stay alive, and the thing with those cucumbers, when you bring them alive, when you bring them back to the surface, they don't deal very well with the change in temperature and pressure, and they kind of like, how can I say it nicely, disintegrate somehow. So I think it's better to leave it where it is. Yeah, we can go. Thank you.
Okay, go wide video.
Go wide. Coming up here.
So it's either between parasitism or like a different kind of belly rub.
There's three options, right? You have the parasitism when one of the organisms is having a negative impact on its host, usually. It can be commensalism, where they're just there, but it doesn't do anything bad or good to that other
yeah,
organism, and then you have mutualism when both organisms benefit from the associations. And so some cases parasitism can be pretty obvious when you see that the host is in pretty poor health, for instance. But then to make a difference between mutualism or commensalism can be pretty difficult.
Yeah, that's fair. That's crazy. Looks like we're coming up on almost a ridge, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About 10 meters off of it from Atalanta, but I should be above it, looks like.
More crinoids.
Climbing up a hill. You turn my starboard camera back on?
Starboard camera? Yep.
Yeah.
Oh. Starboard rail cam. Yeah, my bad. Okay. How's that?
Yep. Just so I can keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
What it look like?
Fanny, do you know if we are looking for rocks on this?
Sorry,
dive?
there's something right ahead of us.
Oh, I see it.
Right here. I think I saw something as well, but maybe if we can just first check that one out. It looks some...
Yeah.
Go ahead and zoom video.
Going for zoom.
I don't know if lighting's very good because of the shadow.
Looks like some kind of chrysogorgidae, but it's
Wow.
yeah.
Very thin.
But it has kind of like a flat morphology.
Mm-hmm.
That was full zoom.
Wow, we can really see the polyps really well right now. All right, we can zoom out.
Yep, zoom wide.
Going wide.
It's very similar to the chrysogorgias we saw earlier, except that they were 3-dimensional. That one is 2-dimensional.
But it is another type of chrysogorgia.
It looks like it is.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It looks so, so delicate, like a dandelion.
Is that another sponge we're seeing top left over there?
What do you think, Fanny?
It's that's a dead sponge.
Okay.
On the seafloor, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just looked a little odd, so.
And I think there's another shrimp again.
What is this?
Still the same.
Same thing? Mm.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh.
crinoid.
Ooh.
Push out.
Yeah.
Push out. Okay.
There's
We
a
shredded
crinoid
one.
and a shrimp.
Going for zoom.
Very spiny.
Wow.
Yeah. We've seen some of these. He has like, that one has like 5 arms. We've seen a few
That's
of these, I
cool.
think, earlier this dive and on the dive last time, the previous dive we did.
Yeah,
Alright.
usually they have more arms in this, right?
Well, it depends on the species.
Oh, that makes sense.
Just go wide.
Going wide.
Thank you.
That's crazy. It's crazy to me how, like, they look very similar to a lot of palm trees, almost.
They're the palm tree equivalent of the deep sea. There you go.
That's one way for you to remember them.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay, punches all the way in. It looks like someone's sleeping.
I think that's another cup coral. We've seen a few already.
Mm.
It's a bigger one though, right?
Good eye.
But that's good. That means we didn't take all of them.
Yeah.
You want this one?
Definitely don't
No,
want
we're
that.
good.
So we are continuing to make our way up this
There's
sea
something
mount.
coming up front.
Oh yeah, that's one of those stalked crinoids, the one that are attached to the seafloor. Crinoid on a stick. There you go, and it has something on it which I cannot tell what it is yet, but there's something white on it, and there's a. Oh, it's like there's like a snail on this crinoid, I think right here.
How do you, oh. I was about to say, how do you even see that?
Yeah, I still don't think I see it, but maybe if we zoom, I don't know.
Yeah, if we zoom in, maybe you'll see there's like a white snail on it.
Let me
Got a little sponge over here as well.
There's also, yeah.
They blend in so well.
Mm-hmm.
in an area where they just don't need to. It's crazy.
You go ahead and zoom video?
Okay, zooming.
So let's see what's going on here. I think there's a shrimp as well.
Yeah, I think I see the shrimp.
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 So there you go. You see it now?
Heck
Right
yeah.
here.
Look at that.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, you had to zoom way in for me. I mean, wow.
That's a cool one.
So it's a stocked crinoid with a snail and a shrimp.
That is correct.
That's so cool.
That shrimp
Wow.
also, what is this?
Yeah, I don't, is that another, the thing that was on the sea cucumber?
No, it's not, it's different. I don't know what this is.
Is that an isopod? Like a small isopod on its back?
I'm wondering, right?
Yeah.
So if that's the case, these are parasites.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Weird.
I kind of thought maybe isopod too, but I don't know.
So, Danny, I have a mission.
You want this?
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, yeah, Megan confirmed an isopod backpack.
Isopod backpack.
So, yeah, the crinoid with
Stop
that
the ship.
snail would be great to get.
Okay,
Already
I'm
on
going to
it.
come around.
Wow.
His guy's going to take off if I move. How are we going to do this?
Do you think it's a scenario similar to remoras and whale sharks where they're just
Go
kind of
wide
catching
video.
a ride? Or do you think they're feeding
Yeah.
on them?
They might be feeding you. These isopods are often parasitic. I don't know if you've ever seen also those fish that have like on their tongue.
Yeah, the tongue.
So
tongue-eating
it's kind of a
isopod.
similar scenario where this is probably parasitic. I would assume this is probably not great to have
Gotcha.
that on your back.
Good to know. Interesting. It's surprising that the shrimp has not moved.
Yet.
That is true.
I have a feeling it's going to start to skedaddle.
Get an extra. Oh, he's
Slowly making his way.
yeah.
So Danny, all I got as far as on my GUI controls is just what's on the Steam Deck, so I can only turn on and off. I can't increase.
Yeah, no problem. We'll start at 58%.
Okay. You want cameras
We're going
to
for the
suction?
snail and the crinoid?
Yes.
Or, yeah.
Okay. Number 7's on.
Darn it.
Trying to come down a bit so I'm not pulling you off. So it looks like I might be.
Do you want me to take a step? Ooh.
4 meters, yeah. If you can get back towards them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
I just, yeah. I'm gonna start.
Hey, buddy, don't go anywhere.
Someone said maybe our new Nautilus merch can be isopod backpacks.
I think that is a great idea.
I don't know if I would want one. Thank you very much.
Little isopods on the
I can
mugs.
take off my auto heading.
That'd be pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Cool graphic.
Little like pen holders.
That seems
isopod
polarizing.
pen holders.
That might scare people away.
Yeah.
What is this alien on your back?
Well, it depends on how cutesy we make it, I guess.
I think isopods are very cute in general.
Yeah.
But I think you can make a cute face on it.
Yeah, for sure.
What is this deep sea alien?
Yeah.
Taking off my auto heading and drag me back.
Somebody's asking how many different sample containers are on Hercules. Hayden, do you know the answer to that one?
Let me start counting. If I'm correct.
Can you turn the pump on?
Yep, pump's coming on. Section's on.
Zooming in.
Oh.
There it goes.
Come back.
Are we?
And bloop.
He's coming closer.
No. Oh.
Sorry.
Let's go for the crinoid. At least it's not moving.
Hey, what do you want?
Oh.
The crinoid with the...
Hold on.
I think the gastropod fell off.
It's still on.
I'm in a very precarious spot.
So yeah, here the answer to your question there is 21, including the Niskins, and then you have 26, including the push cores as well. So there's about 8 boxes. There are 7 slurp jars.
Shrimp's gone.
6 Niskins, and then 5 push cores.
We're done.
And then there's about 16 different multi-puffer filters in the back as well.
Wow.
It's quite a bit.
Oh yeah.
Herc's got a lot of pockets.
Okay, so Atalanta is dragging me.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, I have my auto heading off, so.
Can you stow the on?
Yep. Got it.
I think that swing is still taking into effect, coming back towards Herc.
Yeah. Well, Atalanta was just dragging me off the rock.
Yeah.
Apparently there's already a company that makes isopod backpacks.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
It was a good idea while it lasted.
Huh? Heck
Oh,
yeah.
somebody watching looked it up for us and let us know. Yeah.
Awesome.
Wah wah.
Okay, armor stowed.
Still would be cool to have though, you know, even if it wasn't Nautilus branded.
Okay.
All right, so it is 5 o'clock here where we are exploring, and you know what that means? It is dinner time. So you're going to start to hear some different voices as parts of our watch get relieved to go get their meal. But yeah, we are still the 4 to 8 crew. We're just taking a break here and there just to get some food, and we'll come back for the exploration. I think we have about 1 more hour left of exploring the seamount before we have to bring the ROVs back on up on deck. And so you can hang out with us for some blue water too.
I can keep us start taking some steps up the slope if you guys are ready. I can let you get situated.
I gotta get underneath Atalanta. Looks like Atalanta's a little ahead of me right now.
Lovely. Our general bearing is going to be like 240.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
I'm coming up towards you.
We're zooming now.
Yeah, you can do this move, yeah. Check my...
I have somebody who's curious about the porch that is on Hercules. What is the porch for? And do you ever put anything on the porch?
Yeah. The porch is the bottom of the ROV. It slides. And we can put anything we want on it. Right now we have some ballast weights on it and the suction hose.
That's a cucumber. Yeah.
It's like a drawer that we can mount stuff to. We can also extend it and then sit down on the ground.
Okay, so it's like a extra storage as well as kind of, I guess, like stability if you need to land somewhere.
Yeah. Yep.
Cool. Thank you, Levi.
Yeah. We are back underneath Atalanta. That's good.
There you are.
Your heading is 213. And what direction do we want to be moving?
We'll start moving in a direction of 240 whenever you guys are
Yeah,
set.
what is that?
I think that's again the stalk of a dead sponge. That we've seen a few of them.
You want to turn right a little bit?
Yeah, it started already. How's our tethers doing?
There's also something.
Yeah, something right there.
There's something right here.
Okay.
If
I
we
can
could have a
land
look at it, it would
yeah,
be great.
We can
Oh,
get lower and we can zoom in.
I'm gonna scan the tether just quickly.
Oh, that's
make sure
another
we didn't end up
sponge,
with
I
any
think.
loops. Are you okay with that?
Yeah. You can zoom in.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one of the sponges, so we're good. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for
All right,
checking.
we'll keep going then. We've already seen it.
oop, there's another crinoid over to the left. Do you see that?
Yeah, I'm seeing that.
Yeah.
I don't either.
It's in a different camera view.
Oh, maybe that's why. Okay, well, I believe you.
No, we have magic powers and we can see everywhere.
Eagle eye.
Magic powers.
Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe
sorry,
one day
my
those
camera's just being slowed in.
powers will be bestowed upon me, but not yet.
You'll have your moment one of these days.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for believing in me.
Oh, there's another little stalked sponge here.
Yes, right here.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know, snap it video, get an ID, and then we'll keep moving. I think we've seen a couple of these.
Maybe it could be one of those Bolosoma sponges.
Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah.
Ready for some steps?
Sure, you want to do 20 meters bearing 240?
Okay, I'll zoom back out.
Next video.
Yep.
I love this question here. What is your favorite part of this job? I'll go ahead and answer, and if anybody else wants to chime in, please feel free to do so. So yes, this is Brittany speaking,
is there
Science
something down
Communication
there?
Fellow. There is something down there. We're going to
Some
stand
kind
by.
Yeah.
Tube anemone, maybe?
Whoa.
You want to zoom in partial?
Sure, we can zoom in on it. That would be great.
Copy, yep.
Hello, enemy.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
Never gets old.
No,
yeah, right?
it doesn't.
Your eyes and forehead are the only things.
Look at that. So pretty.
So yeah, this is absolutely one of my favorite parts of this job, is just seeing the creatures of the deep. Never ever gets old.
Never gets old.
Pretty much everything about this job never gets old.
It's amazing. That's why I'm so glad to be back.
Yeah.
Okay, video. We can come out. We'll keep moving, I think.
It's a blessing, for sure. Like,
not many people get to do this.
no.
Right.
For me, it's the people.
Yeah.
That is
That's the
true.
big one. Especially if you come back for repeat ones and like you never sail with the same exact group of people. Like of course, people come back and that's awesome. But yeah, you'll never be out with the same exact expedition. So I never had the same van either.
Yeah, all of the people that are a part of this expedition and the one that I sailed on prior, like they're just golden, and definitely, yeah, absolutely the people make it. So I'm so grateful to be here with all of you and get to know you and explore with you. And everybody online too, who is also curious and joining in and wanting to know more about the mysteries of the deep.
Right here.
Roger. video, do you want to snap zoom on the pink?
Jeez, you do have
See
magic
what
powers.
Oh,
that is
that
crazy.
one wasn't me. I'm not gonna take credit for this.
Brittle star?
I got eagle eyes too.
That's a sea star.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Look at that.
That little guy.
Oh.
It's not very big.
He looks juicy.
Juicy?
You know,
Someone is hungry.
looks nice and juicy on that Hershey's chocolate.
Cookies and cream.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Interesting.
Delectable.
Patrick, is that you?
Hey! I've seen a SpongeBob. There he is. We are near bikini, so that it makes sense, right?
Hey, we're not that far, right?
Now we just need Squidward. Mr. Krabs, maybe.
So what is the banding on its arms? Like, would that be an injury or?
So it could be it could be like an arm that just regrew. So they look kind of different. I haven't seen a bending like that though. Usually the new arms look skinnier. So that one I'm not sure what's going on with that. Yeah, interesting.
There seems to be something kind of behind it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh my gosh, I don't.
It's
Yeah,
right here.
right
yeah.
here, yeah.
It's the same color.
Like this here.
Yep.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Can we zoom in more or are we maxed out?
Maxed out.
All right. Yeah, I think that might be. I don't know, something weird is going on here.
I can get closer, maybe. You want to zoom out a little bit and I'll scooch closer? And
Copy that.
Alright. Get you a closer view here. I think I got a second, so. You want to tilt me down, Copilot?
Yeah, you got time. I'm not.
Imagine seeing a pineapple down here.
In.
Oh wow.
Just getting an above view.
Maybe on our next dive we'll be near bikini.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I now realize what you were actually asking.
Oh my.
Oh, there we go. What is that?
That's a polykid, I
Yeah,
think.
it is.
Mayonnaise
Like one
an
of these
instrument?
polynoid or scale worms. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, there's so many
It's
of those.
gonna go away. Look at that, it's leaving. Bye.
Toodaloo.
We spooked it.
No, I think it's crawling on it.
Yeah.
I like the way its arms are kind of crossed on top of each other.
It's holding its fingers.
So strange.
Just chilling.
They look like fingers, yeah.
Interesting.
Fingers
It's
crossed.
wishing for.
Fingers crossed.
The other one's like swirl.
Very interesting.
Oh.
Alright.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Zooming back.
That was a good one. I think that might be my first sea star I've seen other than a Brisingid.
Yeah, I think that's the first one that we've seen.
Yeah.
I'm freezing. It's okay. I got a burst of warmth when I went out there in it. Yeah, exactly.
The roll. One of the cakes. Oh yeah. I thought it was raspberry personally. That's what I thought. Still amazing though. Still awesome.
We're chatting about our fresh baked goods that we get every single day on the ship.
Those guys spoil us.
They really do. Yeah, so
Yeah.
today it was like a sponge cake, like a rolled sponge cake with like a strawberry jam on the inside or something. I don't know. It was really, really good.
It was awesome.
Where are you going?
Just waiting for color.
Where are you going over there?
It has some context.
You need context.
I
Some
love
world
it.
building.
I love it.
Ah, what is this here? Little stick?
Yeah.
There's another something below
Seed
it
head?
too.
Oh.
There's a sponge over there too.
Might be another sponge.
Yeah.
You want to snap this
zoom?
dead stick?
Can I have a
Yeah.
quick
Yep.
look at it to confirm?
Something off the right too. I'll try
Yeah,
to keep
probably.
it framed. So you see.
Nope.
Yeah.
That's
What?
a dead
Just a
one.
sock.
Yeah, we've seen that already. Thank you.
See
Okay.
areas.
That's great. Thanks, next.
Next. Thank you.
Crinoid
Yeah.
under the ledge.
We saw one moving earlier.
Yeah. That was your first
That was
moving
my,
crinoid.
yeah, I'm gonna remember that forever.
That was a little sponge down here.
Baby's first crinoid moving.
Baby's first
Baby's
crinoid.
first crinoid.
Moving
awesome.
crinoid. To be clear, many, many other non-moving crinoids.
Oh, man.
One time we were taking a
There's
sample
something
and
here
I
as well.
had to like
Oh yeah.
bump a crinoid a little bit, and I was hoping he would move, and he didn't, and I was gonna like, come
It's
on.
kind of
Yeah,
blending
gotcha.
with the
Got a
rock,
little coax.
but I'm pretty
You
sure
want
I
to zoom
saw
in? I don't
something.
see it anymore.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
kind of got lost
It's like
in.
the
It's
angle
obscured.
is very thin.
There it is.
Yep, there
Oh,
it is.
yeah.
I still don't even
Oh,
see
wow.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Oh,
okay, yes,
whoa.
yeah, okay. Yeah, there it is.
Is it anything?
I mean, it's small.
That's full zoom
Yeah,
from
no.
where we are.
It's very hard to see.
It's
Yeah.
hard to see.
Maybe we'll see a
Mhm.
bigger one.
Yeah,
Okay.
it might be one of these like bryozoan that we saw earlier, but with the angle.
But only like 3 branches?
I don't know.
No, it looked wiggly, so maybe not.
Oh, sorry. Got my heading the wrong way. We're good. We're doing 235 now.
235.
Yeah,
All right, copy, port.
that is what my heading is now.
Copy, 235.
So the current depth of Hercules is about 2,300 meters. And if you have been watching with us since the beginning of this dive, first of all, that's really impressive and thank you very much. We started at 2,741 meters. So we are
what's that floating?
shrimp.
Another shrimp?
That is a shrimp.
Oh,
Looks
Looks
like a
like-
shrimp.
You can snap it if you want video.
Okay. Little buddy.
Go more in. You got it. Take more zoom. In, and hold
Is that a shrimp?
Oh.
Oh, where'd he go?
Or is it a squid?
There he is.
I
want
can't
me
tell.
to tilt down?
No.
There it is.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Transparent.
It's a good one.
He's in
Coming
the
right
lines
at
with
us.
me.
Ooh. That's so
Ew.
cool.
When they're that close, it creeps me out a little bit.
It does? You
Yeah.
got the heebie-jeebies?
I think my body's like, oh, there's a spider close to me. Like I feel like. You guys don't feel that at all?
A lot of us feel some kind of way about spiders.
One of us.
I don't feel that way about the shrimp, but sometimes with some of the sponges, when they have too many holes,
Oh.
I don't like that.
Really?
and it's not, I think it's called like tryptophobia or whatever, like it doesn't scare me, it just like makes me feel uncomfortable.
Interesting.
That's,
I
it's,
feel
it's
that
only
it's
some of the
too many
sponges.
spikes on it.
Too many spikes.
Ooh.
Couple of things coming up ahead.
Oh, whoa.
What kind of sponge is that?
Sponge.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another stock sponge. Looks. We've seen some of these.
Yeah,
dead
there's a
ones, but
couple of them.
Are these two the same sponge? One's just dead, maybe, or are they different?
They look kind of the same.
Copy. Coming in for an L landing here. We'll zoom in on it. Sometimes these have like brittle stars in them and stuff.
Oh, it looks like it's got a bunch
You want
of...
to zoom in and tilt me up, Copilot?
Yeah.
We're going to go for all that white stuff in it.
Video, are you, we're going to do a zoom on this. Are you available?
Yes, I'm here.
Tilt me up just a little bit.
Okie doke.
Gonna zoom
Sorry.
in.
I'm gonna zoom
Alright.
in.
Go ahead.
Look at that.
Oh, it's just
Is it just
like dust and stuff in
on
there.
it?
I thought it was like biological.
Cobwebs.
Bunch of schmutz.
The spiders. Oh man.
Yeah.
Residue.
It's not that pretty.
Huh?
I'll let it go. Okay, video, we can zoom out. I think we'll keep moving. I don't hear a lot of
Okie doke, we're gonna go
chatters
wide.
about this. Coming up over these
Roger.
guys.
We're not that close, so.
Somebody has noticed that we're seeing crinoids that are kind of spaced very, very far apart, and they're wondering how are they able to make that happen. So crinoids actually are able to swim.
Ooh.
It's very mesmerizing seeing them swimming.
Yeah.
Forbidden broccoli.
Forbidden broccoli, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, right.
It's like the one we sampled under the ledge, isn't it?
It was under the ledge.
Oh, hey Steve.
Hey.
Steve is here.
Does this look like, and this
Matt
got a
Damon.
fun red,
Whoa.
star.
Wow.
So this was similar to the pink species that we saw first. But this is different, actually. This is a Hemicorallium precious coral. And it's actually in Finney's list for collection for histology, so we may want to sample a bit of this.
Okay.
You want to watch change up here?
That's a large colony.
It is.
Yeah.
Which part do you think it's good for sampling?
Unfortunately, it's very fragile, so
Okay.
let's see. Let's take a look at it, see if there's something. But more than likely, when you touch these, they fracture everywhere. So let's see what we get here. If it's too big and it doesn't seem like there's a good place to grab hold, maybe we'll move on to the next one. We'll see more of them. It's just, unfortunately, these are just very fragile. There's no way to collect them without sometimes having collateral damage.
We got you over here.
So you try and collect something that's small enough. So we take a look at it first, tight zoom.
Go ahead and zoom video.
All right, zooming.
And then the other hazard is we have a brittle star. It's not going to want to let go. Yeah, it's not going to want to let go.
It's very pretty.
Yeah. We're starting to move up into the range depths where they're going to be more common, so we may let this one pass for now. But yeah, this would be a particularly difficult collection. I think it would result in more collateral damage than we really want. But yeah, interesting to note, Hemicorallium with the euryalid brittle star. This is a species we want to try and collect, but we'll have to wait till the next one.
Okay. Go wide video.
Going wide.
What specifically, do you know what specifically about it makes it valuable for collection?
Yeah, it's a group that has very little reproductive knowledge known about it. So we don't know how they produce. They're extremely widespread and abundant in seamount environments in Central Pacific. And I think having that reproductive knowledge that Finney's been working on over the past bit and with materials from this cruise would add a lot of information to how they're able to maintain populations, what their reproductive mode is.
Wow.
And you sure you don't want it?
No, we're going to pass on this one. I'm saving you a lot of headaches. We'll pass on this one.
Oh, come on.
Well, I mean...
I like a challenge.
Okay. All right, promise me the worst case scenario, we're going to have to take the whole thing.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We just take the whole thing.
Yeah.
Do we have space for the whole thing?
We do have space for the whole thing.
Yeah, we do.
All right. Let's be bold.
Be bold.
Be bold.
So
where no man has ever gone before.
So think,
we are.
So all right. Think porcelain level, fragile.
Wow.
So you're gonna want to go probably right there.
Danny's got this.
Right across where it starts to flare out.
Okay.
And I think we're gonna have to go in the starboard bio box than the outer.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
can you give me starboard bio box view?
Yep.
Do we?
And be ready to open.
Is this gonna be bigger? You think?
Bigger how?
Not so much.
That's a good question, actually.
No, it'll fit in the starboard bio box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we put that in F then?
That'll work.
That's the open one.
I like the, give me back my dive.
No, I think it should go in the one that already has the rock.
This dive, yeah.
Yeah, go back to dive special.
This one?
There's other
In
biology
E?
in there.
Dive
Yeah.
custom.
Gotcha.
But
Sounds
it's different from the other
Yeah,
biology
there you
that's
go.
in there.
I like that.
I've been keeping track.
Okay, sounds
I like
good.
that view.
Yeah, the only starboard bio box is that guy on that far side.
Yeah, but you can swap my niche skins.
Yes. Yeah.
It is possible to put it in the forward box, and one of the things I'm grappling with. Are you ready down already?
I can move it if you want me to.
And
Now
light coming
let's
on.
aim for that.
Yep.
But my fear is that it's just gonna shatter into a bajillion pieces.
No.
So.
Well, let's make you feel unfounded.
Here we
all
go.
right.
You got it, Danny.
These Hemicorallium break the most.
Zoom in video.
Most pilots. No one suspects. These Installasters never suspect how fragile they actually are until they touch them.
Good video.
Okay.
So I'm thinking right here where it starts to branch. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because if we go higher than that, it'll just crumble.
Oh.
There
Great job, Danny.
Yay!
That's huge.
Amazing.
Now with a bio box.
Yeah.
That'll be the challenge.
Well, I think
I
if
can
we
put it in the front box if you want.
no, I think we should go to the starboard bio box in
Yep.
E.
E.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the species of that again?
Hemi, Hemi,
Okay, you ready for it?
Corallium. I'll write
Yep,
it in
open.
the
Okay,
sea
open.
log.
Wow.
That was great.
Yeah.
All the way open.
Well, no claws. Yeah, it's not in the box.
Mm-hmm.
That is fair. That'll be 63.
There's a block in there. You want F?
Yeah. No, I want it to go in E. I just want to rest it on top of everything on E. Because if we put it in F, there's a good chance something will go also in F. Heavy. And I think if we can cradle this on top, we can.
It's pretty dang big.
I would put it in there. You're probably going to have some crumbling on the bends of the branches, but try your best to fit it in E.
Nice. Woo!
Yeah, I think that might be good enough. You might have to just some of the branch tips might fall off, but
It's going in B.
all right. That looks good. Why don't we just close the box up
Okay,
and
I'll note that.
box.
yeah,
Yeah, there's some.
Great job, Danny.
super. The important part is that most of it's intact.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
a wonderful sample.
I'm telling you, it's very hard to sample those.
Well, now you have one.
Yep.
That's amazing.
You wouldn't believe it with Danny's piloting.
Nice.
That's a highlight.
So I would say E is closed
Yes.
for any future
Sounds
samples.
good. Good to know.
Yep.
Nicely done, man. That was
Yes,
awesome.
we got the Sibogorgia, and then we've got a bamboo, and we've got a rock and a barnacle on the rock, and a Hemicorallium. It's a good full box.
Excellent.
That was good. That was really good.
I've done a custom to my views and dive special.
Dive special?
This setup right here, I can see everything that I need to see.
Gotcha. Actually, the thing that makes me most afraid about sampling those is not getting them from the seafloor to the ship. It's getting them from the ship via FedEx to its destination. That is the part that scares me the most.
Well, I did my job.
Yeah.
Okay, so which way are we headed? Okay.
So we have about only half an hour-ish on bottom, is that the case?
Where we head at?
Yeah, we're eight on deck, right?
Yes, I believe so.
Probably a couple hours ascent.
Mm-hmm. Something underneath that rock.
Yeah.
Just had a question about, are all seamounts formed by volcanoes? I think the answer is no. But Steve, do you have any information on that?
No, there are non-volcanic seamounts. The Caribbean has a bunch of these, so whenever you have tectonic plates, they can sometimes like uplift sediments and
that's what I
big
thought.
chunks of rock too. Yeah.
Like, why am I crab crawling?
I mean, there may be some like antecedent topography, like a volcano somewhere, but maybe really low. But the actual structure of the seamount is just uplifted and compacted sediments.
Right.
Yeah, the northeastern Caribbean has a bunch of these accretionary seamounts.
Video, do you want to zoom in a little bit, get rid of that?
Oh yeah, I do.
There we go.
Thank you for the reminder.
And there's another cup coral, same as the one we sampled earlier. We don't have to zoom on it.
Okay.
I'm just pointing it out for data.
Steve, can you repeat that? I just
Yeah, I was just pointing out the cup coral.
Okay.
That's all. It's the same as one we sampled earlier.
You're happy?
It was with the brittle stars branched out. It was tough to tip off anything. Yeah. At least if we have one, we don't have to get any more. There's many of the same species in the silver.
Yeah.
The outboard starboard box, E is pretty much closed everything.
Okay.
So we're going to lose some branch tips from breakage, but
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Can I take a look at the sea star?
It's so cute.
We have one, number 7.
I love that sea star.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to leave you, but in the meanwhile, I'm going to ask to collect and suction that sea star.
Yeah.
And I'll see you later.
You want that sea star?
Yeah, we're going to try and suction it if it's possible.
Okay, stop the ship.
It's a Ceramaster.
Porch out.
Porch coming out.
That's the sea star. Okay.
Okay, porch is out.
They're exceptionally rare below 2,000 meters, and Chris might have described several of them in the past few years. So, if it doesn't suck up the hose, I guess maybe consumption is something to worry about.
It's so tiny.
Right? It's adorable. I love it.
I'm gonna turn you back to bucket cam. Yeah.
Yeah, bucket cam.
Okay. Let me know when you want suction.
I was about to say,
not
yeah.
yet.
Is it zoomed in? No, okay.
No. Do you guys want to zoom before we
I want to
yes, that would
see
be
it. I want to see
Go ahead,
it
zoom
up
in.
close.
All right, we're going to do that. Thank
It's
you.
so cute. It's adorable.
stop.
I want it. I love it.
We're gonna get it.
Suction on?
So
Not
this
yet.
is a potential Ahu ester GFOEI.
Okay, go ahead.
Suction on. Suction on. Yep, there we go.
Oh,
Nice.
very nice.
Suction staying
Great.
on.
Zooming out.
Great job.
Is that
Yep.
the bucket?
Okay.
Suction off.
Yep.
Okay, rotate.
You're gonna have to rotate.
Okay.
Okay.
And that sample's 64 now. Thank you.
So appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, changing back to your starboard rail cam.
Okay, buckets are full.
It's a good dive. Got lots of cool things.
Ready to keep stepping?
Yes.
Yep. Go ahead.
I love using this slurp collector. It's so fun.
Is that Matt Holden of the Instagram takeover?
It may be.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Are we having a
famous.
celebrity here?
We have a celebrity in the room.
I think I
Sign my headset.
Okay. Getting the ship moving.
I'll be available for an interview about that sample collection here.
Yes, yes, I would love to interview you.
We got little mics, don't we?
I've got, what, like 7 hours left of this takeover?
Make the most of it.
Wow. Also, the ship is stepping. It's just got that delayed effect.
Okay.
No, it's a different. Yeah.
Dead sponge.
I don't know if you all were listening earlier, but who was it? It was Rye. She was saying she'd never seen
the swimming crinoid.
The swimming crinoid,
yes.
and then she mentioned wanting to see one, and then it appeared.
Whoa.
So I think that's the key.
I think that's the highlight of the day.
From the
Ask the ocean, and it giveth.
Have a wish.
Wow. So Matt, what do you want to see?
I want to see a whale.
Oh.
No, that is dead, though. That would be really lucky. But yeah, today is the day of wishes. We had the jellyfish this morning that Hayden wanted to see. We had the swimming crinoid, so maybe the whale on the way up.
Yeah,
That'd be cool.
Or some sharks on the way up. That'd be cool.
Yeah, we'll take that as well.
I'll subscribe with that.
So I'm sorry if I missed it, if someone else in the chat has asked it,
up a little higher.
but
Yeah.
when the sponges are broken, is that,
Stretched out.
how do they break?
Like,
Do
if I
they
bring
just
you
get
up higher,
old
it
and
might start
like
hauling you back.
break off, or
okay.
does
I'm at
something
a
knock them over?
altitude of
How does that
23
work?
meters.
Gotcha. Oh, okay. Yeah. I've got a drop off behind me, so it's...
Yeah. And it looks like I might have a little something ahead of me.
All right, I'm heading out, guys. Brittany's back with you. Just got a comment that I should do an impromptu dance as part of the takeover, so watch out.
What? You have to dance out of the van.
Oh yeah.
Let's see it.
Wait, hold on, let me get a cam on that. Oh man.
Go ahead and get a zoom video.
All right, we're gonna zoom.
Little sea
Wow,
cucumber.
look at that.
I'm just waiting for Atalanta to catch up.
Yep.
It's covered in sediment.
What a cutie.
Okay, go wide video.
Hang wide. So I think I asked a question at a horrendous time when everyone was changing over, but I'm going to ask it again. So the sponges that are like broken, does that happen because something swims by and knocks it over? Does it die? Why are they just kind of little stalks everywhere? I'm sorry if I missed that earlier, if somebody asked it already, but.
I just got back from dinner, so I'm just catching up myself. Danny, I think they were asking a question about the sponges. What causes them to die, basically?
Yeah, sorry, my SPL was not on, so I didn't hear.
It's okay.
So it's hard to tell. They could have been dead for quite a long time. So there's just many other reasons, like maybe they're just old, or maybe the environmental condition changed and they were no longer suitable for that sponge. So they look pretty old, I would say. So it's hard to really tell what the cause of death would be.
So if they die, then, like, I guess my question is the broken off stalks that are everywhere, they get broken off by the current being too strong, or?
Yeah, they're just like either like, yeah, mostly the currents probably, just again because they are old, they start like disaggregating a little bit and then fall off.
Look at this one.
That one is doing good though.
Yeah. Speaking of,
that's a nice one.
This is one that gives me the heebie-jeebies. It's got too many holes.
Oh.
Really?
Looks like
is
a
that
Q-tip.
a Bolosoma?
It
Or
looks
they're
like a
different type?
Bolosoma, I think.
Why did they give you the heebie-jeebies, Brittany?
It has too many holes.
When you're scared of, or is that the hair pulling thing?
That's a pretty large
it's-
one too.
Yeah, tryptophobia, I think. But so it's not a fear thing. It's just more of like a mild discomfort. Yes,
Discomfort.
I can't look at it too long.
Fair enough.
Personally, I totally respect sponges, but yeah, sometimes they're just like,
All right, thank
That's
you.
a cool one right there.
Oh, that's a really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, that's not Bolosoma. I think that's that one. I can never remember the name. We saw some of them yesterday. Yes. Caulophacus. That's what it is.
Oh, okay.
Caulophacus.
It's such a, I don't know, I have a problem with that name. Hard time remembering it.
What is that on the rock in the, was that another cup coral, you think?
Where?
It was right here.
Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah, same.
Was distracted.
Yeah, you can't see it on your screen. That thing is covering it.
You can see it in the top right screen on the bottom.
It's like it's on the side. It's right here.
Oh, yeah. Can we? I see it.
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah. Where did I put the? It's right here, right?
Yeah.
See, you have the magic power now.
I guess so. It comes and goes. It fluctuates.
You probably just need a dinner.
Maybe that's it. There was a shark that we saw outside, oceanic whitetip.
Today?
Yeah. Yeah, I was in the middle of dinner, and then Drew was like, oh, there's a shark, just so casually, and I was like, what? Really cool.
Darn, I missed it.
What? It's probably still there, honestly.
They've been following us, I guess. There was some, I mean, or maybe they're different ones, but there was one like 2 days ago, too? Or two?
Yeah, there were 2 sharks the other day, so.
I'm not looking overboard enough.
I only saw it on the ROV cam when we put her in the water 2 days ago. It was just like right next to where we put it.
Wow.
So it really scared me.
No, that's a shrimp again.
Shrimp.
How about here? I think maybe a sea pen? Just right here in the bottom of the screen.
I see it.
Yeah.
Just gotta
get to it.
Maybe with a brittle star on it or something.
go ahead, video.
Zooming.
Oh, it's just,
yep.
Oh, there we go.
That doesn't look like a sea pen.
no, a coral.
It has a brittle star on it. Oh, okay, funiculina. Right, thank you.
Okay.
In like a
Going
turn
wide.
on
Do
my
you are you
sonar.
interested in it?
I don't see anything directly below or next to me.
Sure. So
the positioning isn't advantageous for it because it's right next to that wall. And it's subsea. It's in a little crevice there. I don't know if I can get it.
Okay.
I can try.
Yeah, maybe if you can give it a quick try.
Okay. Try not to run into the wall. Might be it reached out.
How far is Hercules able to reach out and grab something?
I could reach out about 2 meters at full extend.
Okay.
Oh.
Go ahead and zoom in video.
Zooming in.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah, the whole thing with the brittle star.
Nice.
Nice. So if you can
That's
put
gonna
that
have
in
to go in the front box.
Front box?
Yeah, front box.
All right.
Oh,
Why?
oh, nice catch.
That was awesome.
Yes.
Why are you not staying closed? There we go.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go ahead and pull out the box.
Okay.
Not all the way.
Yep.
Back in the camera.
Retract camera?
Yep.
Okay. Cameras retract. You want it down a little bit?
Okay, that went into lambda.
Thank you.
Okay, retract the box.
Okay, box closing.
Nice, Danny.
I'm gonna give a slight push in to get rid of the vignette.
Now I have to back out of this little hole I put myself into.
You can do it.
Annie, do we have a name for that coral? Was it a type of some sort?
Funiculina.
Okay. How do you spell that?
You want me to enter it as a?
Yeah, that would be lovely. Thank you.
There it is.
Ready for some
Some other sponge.
Yep, go ahead. So we're going to be doing what, 270?
We can do 270.
These rocks here are a little too round for Val, huh?
Yes, too round.
Too round.
Got a little something over here.
Yeah,
What's
that's
that?
a sea cucumber too.
Oh.
Look like
yeah,
a sea
good
pig a
stuff.
bit.
Uh-huh.
It is a good day for the cucumber crowd.
Yeah. That was a good find, Keone.
Thank you. They're sneaky, but yeah. I guess I got eagle eyes.
I guess so.
They can't escape you.
They can't escape me. Not today, no. Is this in your way?
No.
Okay.
What's under that little rock there? Is that just
Yeah, that white thing.
Yeah, it's too tight. I can't get in there.
all these little round eggs look like a dinosaur nest or something.
It does.
Maybe that's where the baby megalodons are, you know?
Dragon eggs.
Dragon eggs, yes.
Did I miss anything super cool from lunch?
What is
or I
it?
guess not dinner. Dinner. Did I miss anything super cool since I was at dinner?
You missed everything.
You missed all of it. Sorry.
We saw it all.
SpongeBob and Patrick too.
We found the pineapple.
Yeah.
You did? Krusty Krab down there.
They told us to tell you hi. Sorry they missed you.
Who?
SpongeBob and Patrick.
Oh, I see, yeah.
This is pretty much all you missed out on. Is that other sea star they saw?
Oh.
Yeah.
Super cool. Thank you.
That's Patrick's cousin.
It doesn't get old, does it?
It doesn't. Keeps it entertaining.
I mean, when you're in Bikini Atoll, I mean, you've got to make the SpongeBob jokes. You have to. Or close to it, at least.
It's only right.
It's only right. I think it's respectful, honestly.
I mean, there is a fan theory about that.
Oh, yeah.
Bikini Bottom
Oh, yeah, I have
being
heard that.
Bikini Atoll. And that's why they're mutated sea creatures.
Yep.
Sometimes they actually, in SpongeBob, they actually show
the testings.
Yeah. And it's bikini.
Crazy. Another sponge there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
I gotta get back to the ship.
So again, Keone, you are somebody who is on our watch who actually was born and raised in the Marshall Islands.
Something coming up to the left.
Yep.
We'll get to that in just a second, Keone, but we have something on the left we want to take a look at.
Ooh, what is this?
It's another one with a sea star.
Is it another Hemicorallium?
I think so. I want to see in the main screen, but yeah, yeah, that's the same that we just sampled.
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
So we're gonna leave that one alone.
But it's like the same scenario too, that brittle SAR.
Yep.
That is a big brittle SAR.
Oh, yeah.
It is.
So these are often very specific.
What is happening here?
That's a crinoid on a dead sponge flying away.
Oh, I see.
You're the subtitles that we need.
No
Oh, SpongeBob. You can go ahead and zoom video.
Zooming.
Fanny, your subtitles are perfect.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Wow.
that is the same that we just had. Super beautiful.
I wonder what the largest brittle star on Earth is. Like, I don't know.
Thank you for the zoom.
Wow.
I wasn't aware they could get that big.
I like the way it weaves through.
Oh yeah.
For some corals, we think that they grow up together because you see like the small coral, like a young coral with a baby tiny little brittle star on it. And so some of them that have this very tight association, we think that they may actually grow up together in a way.
Oh wow.
My heart, that is so cute.
It is
Sounds like a children's book or something.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Wow.
You know, Steve mentioned how brittle these things are. Do you think these brittle stars could actually be providing support as they grow?
Wow.
I don't know, yeah, there's a lot of different theories of, you know, what the role of the brittle star is, and I think it really depends on the species on the coral. It's most of the time it's assumed that it's at least commensal, so where the brittle star is taking advantage of being on the coral because it's rising above the seafloor, better access to food, and they don't have any negative impact on the coral. But I did some work actually where I was looking at this association of corals that were impacted by the Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico, and it seems that the brittle stars actually may have helped some of the corals to recover. So what I think is that, but again, that's really difficult to prove, you know, with experiment, is that the brittle star may be feeding on anything that could be depositing on the corals, and in a way maybe like cleaning the coral or preventing, you know, the coral to be smothered by sediments or
what's that off to
overgrown
the
by
left? We got another sea
parasites.
sponge? Or another sea slug?
On the left.
Or sea cucumber, sea
That's
cucumber.
a sea cucumber.
Yep, my bad. Anyways, continue.
So yeah, no, I find this association fascinating, and it probably depends really on the species. Some species might just be commensal, brittle star, take advantage, coral not impacted. But in some cases, I do think that it might be also mutualism, where the brittle star may play some kind of cleaning role or some positive role on the coral. We're trying to look also if the brittle star maybe was stealing food from the corals. In that case, it has a negative impact. And I had a colleague that did some like studies looking at stable isotopes to try to evaluate the diets of the brittle stars, and it doesn't seem that they are feeding, they're not eating the coral, and they are like slightly different signals, so they might not be actually like stealing food from the coral. I mean, we don't really know.
Interesting.
Thank you.
How much longer do you want to keep going?
How much longer can we keep going?
Well, you want to be on deck at 8?
Yeah.
It's going to be like a 75-minute, 70-minute ascent.
Pretty heavy.
Oh. I forgot about all the weight.
Yeah, whenever we need to go to be up on deck at 8 p.m.
Let me do a quick calculation. Time to surface. Can you do a